Now we are going to do textbook exercise. Yesterday we did something. Now we are going to do textbook exercise. We are going to continue with that. Just take your textbook, page number 29. It will take time to write. Now please write today's date. Where you're going to start. Today's date is 29. You're going to start D, match the animal pairs in the two columns. Just look here, D. So please write today's date after the heading. See the date, 29, 9. It's not page 30, page 20. Because we did not do this yesterday, we are going to do today. Please write after match the animal pairs in the two columns. This is about the gender, female and male. Okay, we'll just see. Okay, all the female ones, right hand side A, B, C, D, E. And the male ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let me try whether you know the answers. No need to say before I could ask. No need to say before. Yes?
Ma'am, we should write. This is it. We should write a notebook.
Oh, excuse me, let me know who's this child. Sujin? Alan. Please listen, parents. Don't confuse them. It is there in the textbook, page 29. It's there in the textbook and we are doing textbook exercise now. Okay, it's nothing. Please listen. Please listen. Those who are coming in between only causing problem, never mind. Please see the printed work. That won't be in your classwork note. Okay, now just see D, page number 29. The picture is shown there in your textbook. When one child tells something, all others will be confused. You come 5 minutes before the class. Now, match the animal pairs in the two columns. You can just match, not now, just listen.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Yes, John, tell me, John.
Ma'am, number 1, that word I cannot spell, ma'am.
No, I will teach you. Don't worry. It's Drake. D-R-A-K-E is. I'm going to teach only, John. Just wait. Drake, male duck. Duck, drake. Female duck, male gender, drake. Okay, John, say after me. Drake. Okay, Drake. You say in your mind also, Drake. D-R-A-K is Drake. It's the male gender. And duck, female one. Okay. Now all know about. Now turn off your mic. Now I will ask somebody because let me know whether you all know, then I will tell you. Now I want, morning I stop with Kabir. Manu, can you read the second one? Manu, can you read the second one? Manu? They are not there, must be. Manu, are you there, Manu? Manu's not there. Like this only a losing mark. Next person is Mohammad Faisal. Mohammad Faisal, hurry up. Mohammad is not there. Okay, I'll note down all these names. Now I'm going back to the next one. Rida, can you read the second name? Second one, Rida. What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the second word. Second name of the peacock. Can you tell me the female one of peacock? Just see from the next answers. Peacock. Just think and tell me. Hen. Children, 1 minute. Cock, hen. Okay, cock, hen. Now I don't want, I told you from this week onwards, I don't want any helpers behind. If I hear any whisper sound, I will not give any mark to that child. Peacock, hen. Repeat, Rida. Peacock,
Peacock, peahen.
Peahen. Very good. Now, Riha, just read the third one, Riha.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the third one. Camera on, please.
Lion.
Who's this Neha Angelin? Riha. Riha, just.
Ma'am.
Yes, somebody else's name is coming. That's what. Okay. Now tell me third one. Lion. Okay, lion. Now tell me the female gender. Female. Please tell me. This is male gender. Lion. You just see the answers. You can just get it because you haven't learned, must be. Come on. You can learn from now onwards. Tell me. Look there on the screen.
Ma'am, I don't
No. You look at the screen. Don't look. You won't get any mark, please. Look at the screen or look into your book. Peahen, tigress, mare, duck, lioness. Now, how did you get it? You try. Camera should be on, please. Lioness. Lioness. Say lion,
Lioness.
lion,
Lion.
lioness,
Lion.
lioness,
Lioness.
lioness. See, write the correct. Write the same. Children, please listen here. Please turn on your camera, children. See, when they go like this, they won't get any mark, okay? Now, number 4. Who's this Neha? I don't know. Must be somebody else's link. I don't know. Must be mother. Now, fourth one.
Oh, my sister, ma'am.
Okay, but you turn on your camera. What's wrong with your camera? Fully. I cannot speak in Tamil, children. Fully in class. You have to turn on your camera. That's what you're telling. I don't know, ma'am. It's already written there. See, other children, they will get bored up like this. Because they know the answer, they are listening. You listen, please. She's a new girl. Now, next one. Next child is Sehan. Sehan, are you there? It's very hard to call. These children are not attending the class. Sehan is not there. Sharan Pranav. Sharan
Yes,
Pranav, please read fourth one. Fourth one.
Horse.
Horse. Don't say horse. Horse. Can you tell me the female one? Lady. This is gent. Okay. Tell me the female name. Horse. Mare. M-A-R-E. Sharan, you are not attending the class properly. You have to attend every day. This month, and no camera. Listen, 2B children, you are not switching on your camera. I'm going to tell principal ma'am about this. Okay, no camera for 2B, 2A. At least they are listening to me and they are okay now. I want 2B also come out like that. You must turn on your camera when you are in class, please. Okay, turn on fully. Your camera should be on. I want to see your face. I can see the screen and I have another sister. I'm seeing you all. Sharon. Good, Sharon. Now, fifth one is for Sujin. Sujin, please read fifth one.
Horse.
No, fifth one. Now, where is Sujin? Come on the screen. Yeah, it's tiger. Now, tell me the female gender. Tiger. Tiger. Tiger.
Ma'am, the female
Tigress. 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 Okay. See, tiger spelling is T-I-G. Speak. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Remove that E. Just see T-I-G-R-E-S-S. Tigress. Okay, tigress. Now listen to me. All check and read. Drake, duck. Drake, duck. Peacock, peahen. Peacock, peahen. Lion, lioness. You can go back to the recording, learn all these spellings from the textbook, children. You can write it. I'm not giving you homework. You can just keep in your mind. Peacock, peahen. Lion, lioness. Tiger, tigress. Horse, mare. Tiger, tigress, lion, lioness. See, only tiger that differs. Tiger. Remove that E. Tigress. Okay, children. Now we'll go to the next one. Children, all are good children. Only thing you want to play. That's all. You just want to play. That's all. Okay. I'm not angry with anybody, but if you're not listening to me, I'll be angry. And you can be free, children. Don't ask anybody's help. Now see here. Now, E. Turn your page. Writing skill. This is creative writing. Write 4 sentences on what you like to do at school. You have to use these things. Words from the box. Play, sing, write, eat, read. Okay. Okay, Sujin, thank you. I forgot to tell you because that time something happened over here. Now, write 4 sentences. You can write your own sentences in your textbook neatly. I like to. You can use any word only once. For 4 sentences, I like to play, sing, write, eat, read. So you can use write and read. You can use in the same sentence. I like to. Now, I just want somebody to tell me. I will call the name. Tion, can you tell me, Tion? One sentence. I like to. First one. I like to. Yeah.
Play.
Full sentence. I like to play.
I like play.
I like to play with whom?
I like to play with my friends.
Where? At school. Okay. Now, you can write anything, but I like to play with my friends at school. You can write your own sentences. When you come to school, ma'am will check. Others, you can write this. You cannot write, I like to play. That's incomplete sentence. Okay. I like to play with my friends at school. You can write full sentence, but you are most welcome to write your own sentence. It's not necessary to write play first. You like to sing where? Full sentence. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Tion. And next one. Please write. I want everybody to write neatly. Tion. I want Tharanish. I want Tharanish. Okay. Please write neatly. When you finish your answer, turn off your mic. Now, number 2. Hope all of you have written the first one. Those who don't know, I'm just guiding you. Number 2. I want Tharanish. Tharanish, can you tell me one sentence? Tharanish, no, must not use play again. That's over. Now you tell about another word you use and make sentence. At school. Yeah. Anything. I like. Yeah. Connecting with the school. Yeah. Which word you're going to use, I'll help you. I like to. Which one? Which word you want to use?
I like to.
Tell one word. From the given box, you read. Tell me any word. I like to. So many words are there, children. Play is over. Sing, write, eat, read. Which one you want?
I like.
What is wrong with you, please? Please say one word from the box. I like to
I like to eat.
eat. Now, 1 minute. I will help you. I like to eat
I like to
samosa in the break. Okay. Now, we will come back to that. I don't know which one I first. 1 minute. I will use saying eat will come. Fourth sentence I have written. Okay. Now you take I like to sing in school. We will come back to, okay, turn off your mic. Eat, when it comes to eat, I will ask your help. I like to sing in school. Okay. Now, next sentence.
I have not space, ma'am, to write school.
No, you have to write small, small, or you draw a line just in between. You have to write small letters. If you don't have space, who's that now? Yeah. Yeah.
Mahil, ma'am.
Okay. You just draw a small line and do it. Okay. Please do it like that. Now, we are going according to this word. Now, you have to combine write and read. You have to combine write and read. Now, I'm going to ask Yuvan. Yuvan, Taranish, I will come back with each.
Yes, ma'am.
Last one. Yuvan, please tell me with write and read connecting with the school. I dash.
I like to read books.
Read and write connecting with school. What do you do in school? I like to read and write. I told you combine those two. Read and write at school. Okay. Let me see.
Okay,
Yeah. You can combine two words. Read and write because both you do at school. Connected
Okay, ma'am.
with school. Okay. Leisure time, that's different. You read storybooks. This one, 4 sentences, what you like to do at school. You can write, you like to read books at school. You like to write and read at school. Okay. When you write, read alone, I like to read books at school. That must be in the library. Reading in class. So write also you combine. Now, I like to read and write at school. You can write your own sentences when you come to school. Ma'am will check it and correct it. Now, next one is, yes, next one. This is now for whom I called just now, Taranish. Taranish told me eat. You like to eat something in school, but Taranish, come back, Taranish. Taranish, what time you eat in school? In school, break time. Who's that? Somebody's mic is on.
Like.
Yes, I like to eat. Your break time you take. I like to eat. Eat. What do you like to eat during break time? Anything, biscuits or samosa. I'm just going to write samosa, chips. What you bring from your house to eat.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can also write something that's not in that
Anything.
box.
Anything you can. No, you have to only use these words. Eat. So connected with eat and at school. School, what do you eat? You can write any name, any item you can write. But you have to use the words from the box. Eat. I'll show you. I like to eat samosa. Excuse me. Taranish, please turn off your mic. Sona, you have to use the word eat, play, sing, write, read. Connected with all these words, you can write any sentence. Now, instead of eat samosa, you can write eat something, bread and jam, break time. Okay, biscuits, anything. I like to eat lunch in the house. I like to eat chapati in the break, anything. But only eatables name will change. And these words will not change because, see, use words from the box. That means you are going to write 4 sentences, what you like to do in school, at school. Okay, please put full stop for all the sentences. I missed full stop for second and fourth. Please put full stop. Okay, don't forget the full stop here. Full stop there. Click, go. Now listen. I like to play. Now I want, 1 minute. Ants John Jacob, where are you? Ants John? Ants John? Okay. Go. Answer. Ants John? Not there. Okay. Jamima? Jamima? Yes, Jamima. Read all the 4 sentences, Jamima. Is it Jamima or Ansh? Jamima? Jamima? No. Okay. Alvin Jonathan. Why these children are not attending any class? Yes, ma. Who?
I'm Alvin Johnson, ma'am.
Alvin, please read all the 4 sentences for me.
Okay, ma'am. I love to read.
Very good. I like to. From first you read 1, 2, 3, 4. What you wrote in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Please.
I like to eat donuts. I
Yeah.
like to write stories. I play. I like to play basketball with my friends.
Okay. At school, you must mention that. Okay. At school. Very good. Now, I want Cyrus to read what you have written in your notebook. According to your written work, you will get marks. Yeah, when we check. Yeah, please read all the 4 sentences.
I like to read a book. I like to sing a song. I like to eat my snack. I like to play and write at school.
Yeah, you must connect with school. Okay, connect. Now, Trideep, please read. Trideep, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read loud what you have written in your notebook.
I like to play in the park. I like to read books. I like to sing songs at school.
Good.
I like to write stories about birds.
Okay, good. And all this you are doing in school. Okay. Okay, good. Now, I want Sona to read what you have written, Sona. Anywhere written work will be there. Yes, read all the 4 sentences from your notebook.
Finished.
See,
But
Sona.
what
Sona.
I have written.
Sona, I don't want any excuse. All the children have completed. You have to do the work within the time given. Which one did you read, Sona, now? Which one? Which sentence? First, second, third, or fourth? Yeah?
Mama.
Yes. Which one?
Ma'am, the second I finished.
Very bad now. Everybody finished 4. Now you can go back to the recording because I have to finish this. Because other children, see, I made them read also. Sona, please write fast. That's your own sentence, so you can do it. Okay? You can do it. It's your own sentences, so you can do it later. No problem. Okay? Now we'll go to the next one. Yeah. Now, Sia, this is fun time. Here are some things you find in a library. Write their names. I think the book I have changed, but you just see page number 30. Newspapers. It was all, kept one kind, and I just arranged it. And the third picture, different picture. It's Mukesh Ambani and Virat. Then the library situation is different picture. Globe is the same. And you know what's all this. Okay. Now we'll just see from the given words in the bracket. See here are some things you find in a library. All these things you find in a library. Okay. Now, first one, all of you know because it's written. What is the first one, children? First one. Anyone? You can read.
Newspaper.
That's all. Good. Stop. Now, second one onwards, I will ask your name. Good, good. Second one. Now, B, children, I finished calling. Now, I want Samantha, sweetie, you must tell first. What is the second one there? From the words given in the bracket, you write. Second one, what is it? Samantha, please tell. Samantha, hurry up. The picture is shown. Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
second one, number 2. What is it, Samantha?
Number 2.
Number 2. What is that picture about? Is it a globe or is it a bookshelf? What is it? Samantha.
Ma'am.
What?
Ma'am.
Globe. Globe. On that, please turn on your camera. Samantha, you have to be fast. I told you this term, you must answer properly. I don't want anybody to help you. Globe, see that? The full picture is shown there about the earth when you turn that. Okay. Now, number 3 is for Shashwata. Shashwata, tell me what is number 3?
Magazines.
Very good. Magazines. Put S there. Magazine, magazines. Put one S over there, children. Magazines from the bracket. Okay, turn off your mic. Turn off your mic. Now, Shamma, can you tell me the fourth one? You have that in your class. Fourth one. Same thing only in your textbook also. Fourth one. What is it, Shamma? Shamma's not there. Shaina. Shaina.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me what is this? Shaina.
Globe, ma'am.
No,
Globe.
number 4. Number 4. See, nobody is listening.
Notebook.
Now listen 1 minute, children. All are distracted with the family members there. Notice, but I don't know why. I'm just going to tell ma'am about this. You have to be attentive in class. Leave all other things, children. Only 3 classes, 30 minutes each. Now, number 5. Number 5 is for Thandi. Not Sandy, it is Thandi, 2A. Tell me, Thandi, what is it?
Ma'am.
Yes. See the words in the bracket and tell me what is it? Number 5. No, I'm not going to tell. Turn on your camera. I'm going to tell in the office and ma'am will tell me, remove you all. No, but this is very bad. Always switching off the camera and going off somewhere. Tell me what is fifth one.
Book.
Reading one. Yeah, that should be that means you are not attending the class. And the teacher is going on shouting, that's all. At 20 she left. Okay, reading table. Number 6 is for Arush. Arush,
Yes, ma'am.
please come on the, what happened? Yes, Arush. Tell me the 6th picture. You find all this in the library and only one. What is it?
Bookshelf.
Very good. Bookshelves. See, you must be there present throughout. Children are going away when, assignment comes. You won't know anything because we'll ask you something general. And you need somebody. This itself you are not doing by yourself. How will you write the test? Thank you, Arush. Now, please check all the spelling magazines. Please put S over there. MAGA because 2 books are there. Magazines, newspapers, globe, notice board. Now, I want next person, Akhil, read all 1 to 6 words below the picture. Please read.
Okay, ma'am.
First one, what is it?
Newspaper.
Newspapers. Second one, no need to say, they are not coming.
Globe.
Globe. 3.
Globe.
3. Magazines.
Magazine.
Magazines. Yes. Magazines. 4th one. Notice board. Same.
Notice board.
Notice board. 5th one. Reading table.
Reading table.
Where you find in the library. You find all these things in the library. Number 6, bookshelves.
Bookshelf. Number
Bookshelf.
6, bookshelf.
Very good. Now, children, you can leave the 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I want to see you all 1 minute. Now, I want the following children for this special class. Please listen. Adonia, Akshara, Effie, Fatima, Joshika, Kanira, Kayalina, Mishti, Mitra, Abisha, Tubi, Akshaya, Achita, Artrika, Evelyn, Getsia, Israelina, Jemima, Juansri, Pratika. Okay, thank you, children. You can leave the classroom. By 11:20,
Thank you, ma'am.
no, listen, no need to say now. I will put the link for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.